Dear students, now we start what is the density property. Dense means a ghancha. In between two, there must exist another. That means ghancha. This is languagically. But how mathematically? Let X is a field of real numbers or field of complex numbers. And S is any non-empty subset of S. Then we say that the set S is dense in R, means set of real numbers. If for every open interval I of R such that I intersection S is not equal to 5. That means you may take any interval, any small interval or large interval up to your choice. That interval must contain at least one element of S. Then we say that S is dense in R. Let R is the set of real numbers. S is any non-empty subset of R. Then we say that S is dense in R if for every open interval I of R such that I intersection S is not equal to 5. That means I contains at least one element of S. Then we say that S is dense in R. We know that between any two rational number there exists a real number. Between any two irrational number there must exist also a real number. Between any two real number there exists a real number. We feel it. But now we prove that the set of rational number is dense and the set of irrational number is dense and set of real number is also dense in R. That is known as the rational density theorem as well as the irrational density theorem. Now this is the statement of the rational density theorem. Rational density theorem states that between any two real numbers there must exist a rational numbers. Let x, y belongs to R. X is a real number, y is a real number. Second condition is x is less than y. We have to show that there must exist a rational number R belongs to Q such that x less than R is less than y. This is our aim. Now x is less than y implies y greater than x. Means y minus x greater than 0 means y minus x belongs to P, means positive. We know from the theorem that if B is any positive real number, there must exist a natural number n such that 1 by n is less than B. Suppose you may take B, suppose 5. There must exist a natural number n such that 1 by n 3 is less than 5. This is my hand. That means for every positive real number there must exist a natural number such that 1 by n is less than b. Since 1 by y minus x belongs to p means positive. This is a positive real number. For this positive real number there must exist a natural number such that x is y minus x is less than y minus 1 by n. Now n is a natural number and y is a real number, so ny is a real number. There is another theorem. If y is a real number, then y minus 1 less than equal to k is less than y. Similarly, ny is a real number, ny minus 1 less than equal to k less than ny. Now divide by ny, y minus 1 by n less than equal to k by n is less than y. This is the form of a rational number. Suppose that rational number is equal to r. That means x is less than r is less than y. Between any two real number, there must exist a rational number. This is called the rational density theorem. Similarly, there is also a irrational density theorem. Means between any two real number, there must exist a irrational number between any two real numbers. This is called the irrational density theorem. In the next video, we'll start what is the irrational density theorem.